Okay, so let's look at 21.2 degrees. How do I write this as degree, minute, seconds? I know that it's going to be 21 degrees because that's my whole number. And how many minutes did you get? 12 minutes and 0 seconds. That is optional to put the 0. Number 2, 49 degrees, because that's my whole number. I just bring that down. How many minutes? 42 minutes and 0 seconds. And I won't write that one, just so that you know that it's optional. Number 3, 118 degrees, 19 minutes, 12 seconds. Excellent. And then number 4, 99 degrees, 22 minutes, and again, 12 seconds. Okay, questions on that? Okay, now we're going to move and do it opposite. Okay, we're gonna go the inverse of it. Given it in terms of degrees, minutes, and seconds, now I want to go strictly to degrees. Algebraically, we're going to work at it very similar, but instead of multiplying by 60, we are going to divide. So this is 42 plus, instead of, and I can do this all in one big swoop, 24 over 60, because again, instead of multiplying by the minutes to get to, instead of multiplying the hours to get to minutes, I'm doing the reverse. And then the seconds, 36, and instead of, again, multiplying by 60, but since I'm doing it all in one big swoop, to go from seconds, if I want to convert it back to degrees, I would have to do 60 times 60. So at the bottom, you're basically looking at 3,600. And if you calculate all of that, putting that into your calculator, you would get 42.41 degrees. So calculating that out instead of multiplication, we're doing the reverse, and so therefore we have a division problem on our hand. And just like what we saw before, our handy-dandy calculator will allow us to do this without having to do the algebra behind it. Okay? So this is actually now, we want to find on our calculator, we're going to be utilizing the degree, the minute, and the second notation. So let's start out with 42. Then I'm going to go to my angle and choose the degree button. So I've got 42 degrees. Then I go to 24, angle, and I'm going to choose the minute. Then I go to 36, I go to angle. Oh, I don't see a quotation mark there. Nope. So then you go to, if you want, if you look above the plus sign, you could go to catalog, it'll be there, or simply put, it's right on the front of your screen. If you go to the plus sign, and if you go to alpha, the green button, and plus, you'll get to your, and I did that again, put it in the wrong spot, alpha, plus, and then you'll get your second button. And then after that, after you get your correct degrees, you just hit enter, and there you have your 42.41. And as we did before, go ahead and number 1, 2, 3, 4, get practice in typing that into your calculator, being comfortable with finding those buttons. And then after you have 1, 2, 3, 4 completed, go ahead and put that again into words, into your own words down at the bottom of the notes, so that when you're working on this on your own, where the heck did I get those numbers? Where did I get those symbols? You will know without a doubt where to find that. And again, guys, these are the gimmies on that quiz because it's right there for you. It's a matter of just knowing where to find it on the calculator.